Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rocket Mortgage for rental property underwriting prep easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Rocket Mortgage for rental property underwriting prep, begin by visiting the Rocket Mortgage website. On the home page, locate the search bar in the upper right corner. Type in rental property underwriting and press enter. Browse through the search results for relevant articles and guides. Click on the link that pertains to rental property underwriting. Read the article thoroughly to understand the underwriting process. Next, look for contact information or a customer support option. You may find a Contact Us link at the bottom of the page. Click on that link to access different communication methods. Choose to either call, email, or use live chat for immediate assistance. If you prefer calling, note the phone number displayed. Dial the number and prepare your questions or concerns regarding rental property underwriting. If you opt for email, compose a clear and concise message outlining your inquiry. For live chat, enter your name and question in the prompt provided. Once connected, explain your specific needs related to underwriting prep. Listen carefully to the representative's guidance and ask any follow-up questions. After your conversation, take notes for future reference. For additional resources, explore the FAQ section on their website. This section often contains helpful insights about underwriting for rental properties. You may also want to create an account for personalized assistance. Follow the prompts to sign up if this option is available. Ensure you have your financial documents ready for a smooth underwriting process. Gather details about your rental property, including income, expenses, and property value. Once organized, you can provide this information when prompted during your interaction. Remember to follow up if you don't receive a response within a few days. Maintain clear communication with Rocket Mortgage as you prepare for underwriting. This will help ensure a smooth and efficient process for your rental property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.